Okay, so we're just gonna do this live really quick so I can show you guys what's going on. So basically I have this hooked up to a really quick, what is this called again?
It's a module. I'm not really sure.
Isn't there a name for it?
There was a name for it.
We're both got nervous because we got it working. So then I press power. This guy shows on. I'm going to change this to 24 volts because it's the max, and then 3 amps and 0 watts. And then I press. We're going to make sure this is off. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
I'll hold it because I'm okay with dying.
So what's the next part?
So now, we make sure that this is connected.
Push output.
Okay. Push output.
Yeah. Okay, now it's doing it.
Now it's on. Okay. So you guys, there's a stick. Oh, you're perfect. The black background. Go ahead.
Okay, tell me if I'm going too fast.
Okay.
It captures it. That's so cool.
Okay. So yeah, we got it to work. The fundamental frequencies though, you gotta go a little smoother to show it working. But yeah, this is my broken table. This is the not broken table, but we're gonna opt to show my professor the broken one first. Okay.